Good evening, all of you. Today we will discuss some questions from kinetics. Okay, so first we will discuss this type of question. It's an important question for the board exam. Here, one equation is given 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2, and the data is given. Okay, so in the first experiment, concentration of NO is 0.3, O2 is 0.2, and the rate of the reaction is found to be 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So like the different data, different experiment and the data is given, different time, concentration of NO, concentration of O2 and the rate of the reaction at that time is given. So our task is we have to find the rate law and the order of the reaction. So we want to find the order with respect to NO and order with respect to O2. So for that, this type of problem, what you need to do is analyze the different data, okay, and choose the data in such a way. See here, concentration of NO, first data concentration of NO is 0.3, third data also concentration of NO is 0.3. So like that, equal value wherever is coming, you choose those two equations. Okay, now rate is also given, right? From the rate law, rate is equal to K into concentration of NO raised to some power, that is the order of with respect to NO. We don't know that, we want to find it out. Okay, so this is the rate expression. So from the first equation, rate expression, we can write it as here rate is given 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to K into NO. NO is how much? Concentration of NO is 0.3 over here. So 0.3 raised to x into here O2's concentration is 0.2. So 0.2 raised to y. So this we can take it as equation 1. Okay. And now choose another set of data where one of this value should be same. So I am choosing NO's concentration 0.3, 0.3 here. So third data I am taking. So the third data's value is 2 point rate is 2.88 into 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to this equation. In this equation I am applying. Okay, so K into concentration of NO is 0.3 raised to x into 0.4 raised to y. So I got it as equation. Since we took the third data, I will mark it as equation 3. Doesn't matter, you just have to be clear on which equation you are taking. Okay, now if I do equation 3 by 1, equation 3 divided by equation 1. Equation 3 is 2.88 into 10 raised to minus 2. Here it is 10 raised to here it is 10 raised to minus 1, and in the first data it is in the 10 raised to minus 2 order, right? So I will write this also in 10 raised to minus 2. That is 28.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by, first you will divide the left hand side. 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to this k and k we can cancel, right? Then 0.3 raised to x, 0.3 raised to x cancel. Then here it comes 0.4 raised to y by 0.2 raised to y. Equation 3 by 1 we are doing. I hope you understood. Now 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2 we can cancel. 7.28.8 divided by 7.2. 4 times 72 is 288, right? So it is 4 times. Okay, so here it is 4. And 0.4 by 0.2, one decimal only, so we can write it as 4 by 2. And same power, so I can write like this, right? And 4 by 2 is 2, 2 raised to y, 2 raised to y. Okay, now when you are equate it like this. If the base is same, the power also will be same. So 4 I can write it as 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 is 2 raised to y. So here the base is same. So the power also will be same, right? So y is equal to 2 I got. That means order with respect to oxygen is 2. Clear? Now our next task is we want to find order with respect to NO. So now what will we do? Choose some other data where O2 is found to be equal. See 0 0.2, 0 0.1, 0 0.4, 0 0.1. So second and third data, concentration of O2 is same, right? So we will choose equation second data and the fourth data. Okay. So rate is equal to K into NO raised to X or O2 raised to Y. So rate here in the second data 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to K into zero point 0.1. NO's concentration is 0.1 over there raised to X into 0.1 raised to Y. Equation 2. Because I took it from second data. Now last fourth data. 2.4 into 10 raised to 2 is equal to K into 0.1 raised to X. Sorry, 0.4. 0.4 raised to X into 0.1 raised to Y. Fourth equation. Now, see here, this is 0.1, this is 0.4. So this one bigger number I take it in the numerator. Okay. So I will do equation 4 divided by equation 2. Okay. So when I am doing that, here equation 4, 2.4 into 10 raised to minus 2. Similarly, here also I want it in 10 raised to minus 2's power order. So that will become 60 into 10 raised to minus 2, right? Is equal to K and K we will cancel. This we will cancel. Okay, I did 4 by 2. So 0.4 raised to X divided by 0.1 raised to X. Now, when you are cancelling 6 in 6.0 into 10 raised to 6. So here, sorry, here 0.6 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, 0.6 into 10 raised to minus 2. When I am changing into 10 raised to minus 2's power. So minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2 cancel. 24 by 6, 4. Right? One digit only coming after decimal. So we can take it as 24 by 6. Okay, is equal to 0.4 by 0.1 is 4 raised to X. Now base is same, already base is same. So power also will be same. 4 is same as 4 raised to 1. So X is equal to 1. Okay. Now answer to the first part of the question. Find the order with respect to NO and O2. So when you are writing these kind of answers for the board exam, put the correct question number. You solved this and put the correct question number and write order with respect to NO. How much you got? Previous X value we got it as 1, right? And order with respect to O2 is 2. Okay. Now second part of the question, write the rate law. Rate law is equal to K into NO raised to 1 O2 raised to 2. Be specific about the question and answer. Then second part of the question, overall order. So write it down. Overall order is equal to 3. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, I hope you know that. Then calculate the rate constant. Now to calculate rate constant, we have the equation rate is equal to K into NO raised to 1 O2 raised to 2. Just choose one of the data and apply. I will take this because here everything 0.1, so calculation will be easier. So 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to K into NO is 0.1 over there, 0.1 raised to 1, and O2 is also 0.1, 0.1 raised to 2. Now K is equal to 0.1 is 10 raised to minus 1. This is 10 raised to minus 1 the whole square. So this will become K into 10 raised to minus 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is 10 raised to minus 3K, right? So we got like this, 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 10 raised to minus 3K. Therefore K is 6. Okay. So what will be the unit of K? Overall order of the reaction is 3, right? So the time is given, you can look into the data, mole per minute is the rate given. Okay, so time is in minute. So when you are writing the order, molarity, the whole raised to 1 minus n time inverse, right? 1 minus n here, n is overall order is 3. Then time is given in minute, so minute inverse. So the answer will be 6 mole raised to moles per liter, the whole raised to minus 2 minute inverse. This will be the answer for value for K. Okay, I hope you understood.